Did you change too many settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus, and now things feel messy? You can reset them without deleting your data. For that, start by opening Settings on your Samsung Galaxy. Now, you gotta scroll down and tap General Management. Inside this menu, tap Reset. Here you'll see several reset options. Choose Reset All Settings. This will put your system preferences back to factory defaults like your ringtone and display settings, but it won't touch your photos, apps, or messages. Tap Reset Settings and, if prompted, confirm using your phone's security lock. After a few seconds, your phone will finish resetting the settings and everything should return to default configuration. And that's how you reset all settings without erasing data.